Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair this screen. As you guys can see, the screen on this phone has been cracked badly right here. Alright, so now let's start the back piece. I'm going to set this aside right over here, and then we're going to remove our battery. Okay, so now once you remove the battery, remove all the SIM cards from the phone. You set it aside. I'm going to set that aside. And now we're going to start by removing the screws. 1.2 star screw. We're going to start by using plastic tool separator. So you guys can see, we're going to use that to just lift this up a little bit. As you guys can see, just lift it, and we're going to work our way all the way around. I'm holding it lightly. There we go. Now we're going to go right ahead and set this aside. Alright guys, so now we're going to go in with our bent tweezer, as you guys can see, that we're going to just use to start lifting up some of these tabs. Alright guys, so now we're going to start by lifting up these tabs. Give this one a little lift. And now we're going to lift this piece up right here. Okay. Now we got all of our tabs up. Okay. So now we're going to go back with our separate tool just to help lift this up a little bit. As you guys can see, starting to come up. It's lifting up a little bit more. Working our way around until we're able to get it loose. Okay, now we're going to set this aside. I have the two screens. This is the broken one. We removed all the pieces, all the screws and everything. And then now I'm going to show you guys how we're going to transfer everything over onto the new screen. Alright, so now this is the new screen that we're going to be working on, and this is the old one screen, and this is the brand new screen. Okay, so now we're going to flip them over. We're going to go ahead with our tweezer. We're going to start removing these little parts, like this one for example. Give it, and then we're going to be placing it right here. So this small piece that we just removed from right here, put this aside. We're going to just remove this little tab from here. And then we're going to place it right here. Moving the blue tab right here. And then we're going to press this down. A little careful while getting it out. And now we're going to transfer it onto this side. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and remove the camera. Just be really gentle while removing the camera. We're going to use our tweezers and onto the new screen. Now we're going to go right ahead and remove this piece right here. This piece. We're going to go ahead and we're going to remove it. right here. So we just gotta slightly just push it in the holes here, just to make sure that it's secured in properly. As you guys can see, very top, right over here. We slide this over. You can just push it down a little bit, just to help a little silver piece. As you guys can see, I removed it. Here, we're gonna remove this tab. And this is already a sticky adhesive, and then we're just gonna place this down onto here. We're gonna go back to our try. So now we got all of our screwed in, and now we're gonna insert our SD cards back inside. And we're gonna just put these right back in here. We're going to go ahead with our battery and place it. Okay. So now we have our batteries on. So as you guys can see, the screen is working. All done, guys. Thanks for watching.